Hello and welcome to Debbie Loves Designing. Well, I've made this glamorous earring and I want to show you how quick and easy and affordable it is to make this beautiful dangly earring with these beautiful multifaceted beads. So what you will need is it's some string. It's this one here. It's strong and stretchy. The size is 1.0. I'll just show you it's a good stretchy strong string. And what you'll need also is some flush cutters just to cut the string, and round nose pliers just to open and close the links that I'm going to use, the jump ring. And you may or may not need this flat nose pliers. And the star of the show, I'm using these beautiful multifaceted little beads. You're going to need an earring hook. I'm using this earring hook, this shape one, but you can use the other earring hook if you want. And then you're going to need, so obviously you're going to need 2 earring hooks. You're going to also need 4 jump rings, because we're going to use 2 jump rings on each side, each earring. One smaller, and one bigger. But please note, you don't have to use one smaller, one bigger. You can just use the same one, but this is just what I'm using. A smaller and bigger one. And these, I love these gorgeous, glittery, let me bring it near, look, glittery, multifaceted micro beads. You don't have to use exactly the ones I'm using, but so you can use bigger beads. So it doesn't have to be exactly the same, but I'm using these because I think they're absolutely gorgeous. So all you have to do is, first of all, is pick up a piece of the string. And what it is, I've got 14 micro beads at the bottom, and this longer bit is 20 beads. I just thought it looks nice with the top hoop bigger and the other one smaller, but you can do it the other way around if you want, sort of more small at the top and big at the bottom, or however you like it really. I just think it looks nice because this is sort of longer, this one, and the second one's smaller. I just think it looks really nice, and I do love this earring hook. Can use other colors if you want. So all we have to do is just string the beads onto the string. So we'll start off with, this is 14 little beads. So all you have to do is pick up your string and start threading 14 beads, or how many beads you're going to use, onto the string. And then we're going to just tie it together. So I am going to just put on, if I can see the hole, put 14 on. But I suppose you can make it all the same size hoops if you want. So just start stringing them along until you've got how many beads that you want on each hoop, because you're going to do 2 hoops. So just carry on stringing it on. And then when you finish stringing all the beads on the string, you're simply going to tie it together, sort of tie it up there in a knot. Like so. So make sure you've tied it nicely together like that. Make sure it's the same size as the other one. Well, I've counted the beads all the same. So then all we need to do now is cut off the excess string near the knot. Not on the knot because it will break, but just cut off near the knot carefully. I'm just going to cut that off. Next thing, what you're going to do is pick up another piece of string and thread on the 20 beads, or how many beads you're going to put on the other this bit now. So thread them all on like so. This is the other bit, and then what you're going to do is pick up the other ring that you've just made and thread it inside. Going to just thread it inside, and then you're going to knot it just like. Going to close in the knot and then cut the string again. So we've just, so it's the same procedure, just going to put it and tie it so there's a knot, and then you're just going to cut off these bits of string near the knot but not on the knot, just like the other one really. I'm going to remove that because it doesn't look nice on, does it? Then you're going to open it up, and then you're just going to hook it on the inside like so. Just open it up and hook it inside like that. Have it in between the beads. Oops. Just have it in between the beads and then just close it. You can either close it with both your hands, or sometimes you can just use the flat nose pliers and just close the gap. Bring it together and close the gap. Sometimes I'll just use my fingers. Just close it there. See that it's closed. Not quite closed. So I'll just bring it in and make sure I've closed it. So it's just in the center. So it's nice and closed. Like so. And then you're going to pick up the other jump ring and you're going to hook it on like so. And then you're going to hook on the earring hoop. If you can see me hooking it on. And then you're going to thread it on. And then all you've got to do is close it. Either bring it together like this. Let's see. It's overlapped slightly, so I'm just going to open it. Overlaps, yeah, making sure that it's nice and close together. So there we are. Got two pairs. We got one pair of absolutely beautiful, glamorous pair of earrings there. Nice for your evening out. Or, well, you can wear it in the daytime, but I think it's kind of evening-y, wedding-y, wedding or christening or anything dazzly and going out. I think this would be nice for, or if you're renewing your vows or a bridesmaid. I think they're absolutely gorgeous, or even out, or maybe you just want to wear them in the day to look glamorous any old time. But I think these are absolutely gorgeous. So I think I would like to make another pair, but using different beads. I do like the small micro multifaceted beads, but like maybe a different colour, or maybe I can have one colour, alternate the colours, maybe a purple black or whatever it is when I go bead shopping again. So might try different earring hooks, but Thank you so much for watching my channel. If you like the channel, please hit the like button. Please consider subscribing to my channel. If you do decide, please hit the notification bell so to let you know when I've done another video. I usually do a video a month, but eventually I want to start doing some more videos more often, because I've got so much ideas of crafts in my head which I haven't actually done. They're just all in my head, so I want to get them out. And also I'll leave my link on my Facebook. I'm on Twitter. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest. I'm going to start doing TikTok as well. I don't know how to use that yet, but that looks like fun. And also I have an Etsy shop. I made some lovely fashionable feminine jewellery. I love to gift wrap as well, in pink, my favourite colour. And it's free delivery on single items for UK customers, but I ship worldwide for £5 for single orders. And I normally like to send my orders out between 1 to 3 working days, because I like to get them sent out. So if you've got any questions or comment, please comment down below, and let me know where you would wear these to. And also I'll leave my shop for my Etsy. I'm actually in the middle of doing a collection. I'm going to do a collection of jewellery, so that's really exciting as well. So thank you so much for watching my channel. Bye for now.